At first light, precision harvest begins. Controlled handling preserves every valuable fiber within. Layer by layer, the valuable core is freed for processing. Each core joins the standardized journey toward transformation.
Stack confirmed, 4 cores.
Teamwork and standardized protocols move the harvest forward. From field to facility, every movement follows precision protocol.
Manifest confirmed. Entry approved.
The journey transitions.
Steady now, keep us straight. Almost there to the dock. Convey starting, hold up.
Netting secure. Ready to release. Copy. Releasing now. Cleared. Moving to controls. Proceed.
Precision elevation aligns raw material with industrial processing flow. Every fiber aligns with the precision rhythm of industrial transformation. Controlled airflow prepares every stem for precision quality assessment. Advanced optics verify every fiber meets exacting production standards. Intelligent routing directs every stem to its optimal processing pathway. Precision washing purifies every fiber without compromising structural integrity. Controlled centrifugal force removes moisture while preserving every valuable fiber. Precision mechanics isolate every valuable fiber bundle for premium grading. Advanced grading ensures every fiber bundle meets exacting quality specifications. The facility stands as a monument to precision industrial craftsmanship. Every entry follows verified protocol ensuring facility integrity. Inside, precision machinery transforms raw fiber into premium industrial material. Controlled tension aligns every fiber bundle for optimal processing flow. Laser-guided precision ensures every bundle maintains perfect processing orientation. Gentle ceramic reaffination enhances every fiber without compromising structural integrity. Precision climate control stabilizes every fiber for consistent downstream performance. Advanced verification certifies every bundle meets global quality standards. Protective packaging preserves every certified bundle for global distribution. Precision labeling ensures every bundle carries verified identity for global traceability. Intelligent storage systems optimize every bundle for efficient retrieval and distribution. Real-time inventory intelligence ensures every bundle is positioned for optimal workflow efficiency. Precision retrieval ensures every bundle arrives at the right place at the right time. Precision blade technology isolates every premium fiber strand for maximum value recovery. Advanced laser grading certifies every strand for premium market applications. Sequential ceramic refination enhances every premium strand for luxury market applications. Precision climate optimization enhances every premium strand for consistent performance characteristics. Comprehensive verification certifies every premium strand for luxury market distribution. Luxury packaging preserves every certified premium strand for high-value market applications. Luxury labeling ensures every premium strand carries verified identity for high-value global traceability. Precision thermal processing transforms every premium strand for enhanced market performance. Controlled mechanical conditioning optimizes every strand for superior end-use performance. Precision climate stabilization ensures every strand maintains optimal characteristics through global distribution. Comprehensive final verification certifies every strand for premium global market distribution. Market-ready packaging preserves every certified strand for premium global distribution. Regulatory compliant labeling ensures every strand meets global market requirements for seamless distribution. AI-optimized routing ensures every strand follows the most efficient path to market readiness. Machine learning intelligence ensures every processing parameter adapts for maximum efficiency and quality. Sub-millimeter robotic precision ensures every strand receives perfect handling for premium market delivery.